Hey Slimy fans! Today is just me, and I'm going to be mixing some slime today because I just felt like it. So, here I'm going to first do these two slimes right here. This like glittery one and this foam bead one, which I'm really kind of nervous about. Also, my hands are blue from the last video. And I'm kind of nervous to mix these because this one's super nice. And this one's okay. It's not the best. But I'm just hoping to fix this one by using a nice slime. So I'm just going to get into it. So let's just do this already. Okay, so I'm just going to put it in, I guess. Oh my. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I did it. It's done. No going back. Never in a million years going back. It's actually sort of nice. If you like glitter slimes and you like foam beads, then this is a good slime. Oh man, my hands are so blue. Like, look at this. It's not even that bad. So I'm just going to put this away now, and I'm getting out my next slime, which is, well, actually next slimes, 3 of them, purple, and blue. So I'm just going to open them up. This one's kind of sticky. That's kind of sad. So I'm just going to pause the video and activate them. So I'm done with this. Now I'm just going to open this one, which is a foam bead one. Are you serious? This one's sticky too, like really bad. So I'm going to go ahead and activate this one too. So yeah. So they're all activated. And I just realized I'm late to go hang out with someone. So I'm just real fast doing this. Real fast. So, let's just add these in. They're all in. Let's mix. Wait, it's so big. I'm going to have to put it in a nice big container. Look at this color. It's really nice. It feels so good. This is so worth it. It's a little bit of a foam bead slime, not too much, or like a foam slime, but mainly just slime. Alright, well, I'm just going to put it in a container, and, well, I'll see ya next time. Bye!